Hello everyone. So we have came up with a new feature which is a quotation timeline. So let me show you exactly what this is and how it will be helpful to you. Let us go to our quotation module. On your left hand side, you will see quotation module. Click on this. Now, once you will go in quotation module, after creating quotation, a new feature have been released, that is the event timeline. So let me open this particular quotation for you. Now, please check. This is your quotation format and we have made little bit changes here. So instead of other action, we have provided all the options here in open. You can amend the quotation from this option, you can copy quotation, you can print quotation, and you can share it over email and WhatsApp. Now in the very top right hand side, you will see activity timeline. So this activity timeline provides you entire communication or comment posted on a quotation. So it will be helpful to you in the term of sales follow up or in the term of going ahead and checking that exactly what activities have been done. All the email replies will come here. Suppose on your quotation, if any buyer have replied, so that particular comment will get captured here. Also you can tag any of your team member and you can post a comment and can send an email directly from this event timeline, activity timeline. On your right hand side, very bottom, you will see generate OC. From there you can directly generate OC and convert this quotation to a final order. And on your left hand side, you will see cancel quotation. So these are a few of the changes which we have brought in our quotation, and I do hope that this will be helpful to you in terms of managing your sales and your follow up. Have a good day ahead.